I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we do things the right way, which is the DaBraeWay, and I'm Bray. Okay, so today we're doing another Amazon wig review. It is CATWO hair. Okay, make sure you remember that, CATWO hair, because I'm pretty sure y'all gonna be, going to get this hair too. But it's CATWO hair on Amazon, and yeah, you already know I got the package and I was waiting for y'all to open it. I got it like a couple of days ago, but I was waiting for y'all because I always wait for y'all. So I was waiting for y'all to open it. Yeah, it's see-through and whatever, but we're just gonna hope that the wig is better than the packaging. And it's a new company, so I wouldn't expect them to use all their money on packaging. So I'm gonna open this and yeah, let's get into it. I think it's a 13 by 4 20-inch wig. Let's open this. So we got the wig cap. Always in the wig cap. And this is the wig. Let's open it. Y'all know I always check for that smell. Okay, so I got a little smell. Ain't nothing that you can't wash out. It's a little smell. Nothing major. Let's get this net off. And this looks real long for 20 inches. But you just falling apart here. Come on. So inside is have 1, 2, 3. I got 4 combs on the inside. This is the wig. Let's see if she's shaking. Okay, she's shaking. Okay, girl. I see you. But this is the wig. It's a 13 by 4. I'm gonna bleach these knots and see what they talking about. Yeah, let's see the inside of that. It got little baby hairs already coming out. Yeah, we're gonna see. From the way it look now, everything looks good. Like, I don't see no problems with it so far. Like, no problems at all. This look like some good hair. We're gonna see once we wash it and bleach the knots and everything. But for what, let me get this out here. From what I see a good wig. And I loves me a good wig. I loves me a good wig. But yeah, it's 20 inches. Yeah, it's 20. Let's see. It's a good little length. Yeah, I'm gonna bleach it and then everything. And then I'm gonna come back and tell y'all everything about it. But so far, it's like a good wig. Period. CATWO hair on Amazon. CATWO hair. Y'all better go get it. But let's see. So stay tuned. I'm gonna come back with it on everything, and I'm gonna talk about it. Just give me a second.
One eternity later.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back. It's the next day, but I stayed up till like 1 o'clock doing my hair, and I recorded it, but it looks horrible, so I had to do this over for y'all. I was so tired last night, but this hair is really good hair. Like I said, it had a smell, but I washed the smell out. It was a little faint smell. Washed that out. Bleached the knots. They bleached real good. I almost over bleached it. Yeah, it's some good hair. I really like it. Again, it's the CATWO 13x4 180 density 20-inch hair from Amazon. Yeah. And you know that link gonna be below, so you might as well go click on it. Go ahead. And go ahead. It's affordable. Because you know, I'm a baddie on a budget. So yeah, it's affordable here. I think y'all really like it. I like it. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, it didn't shed. The only hair that came out was from me plucking. And yeah, I had to pluck. Okay? I had to pluck a lot. What else? Oh, this is some good hair. Like, good hair. Sorry, I had to get that brush. It's good hair. Y'all better go ahead and get y'all some. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, like, I really love it. And yeah, it's some good hair. It's not like, it's a new company, but it's not like no hair that you be like, it's good hair. Ooh, it's a really good hair. But you know, I'm about to end this, so you know, make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment, and buy this hair. Don't forget. But I'll see y'all in my next video. Love you guys.